Blade Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Blade Wallet app is becoming one of the most talked about wallets in the Hedera ecosystem. But what makes it special, and what should users watch out for? Let's unpack the pros, the cons, and why Blade is catching attention in the world of Web. First, the pros. Blade Wallet is built specifically for the Hedera Hashgraph network, which means it's optimized for speed, efficiency, and security. Transactions on Hedera are incredibly fast, often confirmed in seconds, and cost only a fraction of a cent. Blade gives you access to that network without the complexity found in other wallets. Another big advantage is its focus on user experience. The Blade Wallet app has a sleek, easy-to-navigate interface, making it approachable for both newcomers and crypto veterans. It supports native Hedera tokens as well as various Hedera-based NFTs, giving users a full ecosystem experience. Blade also integrates directly with Web dApps on Hedera. You can connect to DeFi protocols, NFT marketplaces, and other decentralized applications seamlessly without switching between multiple wallets. Security-wise, Blade uses advanced encryption and biometric authentication, ensuring your private keys stay protected on your device. It's non-custodial, meaning you retain full ownership of your assets at all times. However, there are some downsides. Because Blade focuses heavily on the Hedera network, its cross-chain functionality is limited. If you hold assets on Ethereum or other blockchains, you'll need a separate wallet to manage them. Another con is limited exchange features. Blade isn't built for trading, it's designed more as a gateway to the Hedera ecosystem than a universal crypto manager. In conclusion, the Blade Wallet app is a polished, secure, and highly efficient wallet for anyone exploring Hedera. It's perfect for users who value speed, low fees, and full ownership of their crypto. The surprising truth? It may not do everything, but what it does exceptionally well.